Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use sound equalizer of your Baseus Bowie M2 Plus. So first of all, select them from the application and then you have to go to the EQ mode. That's the equalizer. As you can see right here, we can find a lot of presets. That's actually 12 different presets, but you can also create your own by tapping on the custom. You can give it name, click save to set it, and then with these dots you can actually set your favorite sound mode thanks to the equalizer, and then you can just simply go back, and as you can see it's switched to our custom EQ. And to click on this EQ and activate it, you have to just click right here. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.